Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙖𝙧. We're out here on a nice chilly day, but sunny day. Fortunately, we've had lots of snow. So it's been really hard getting around and doing stuff. Luckily, we have mods to keep us busy in the winter time. We're going to be doing underhood LED lights. I do have a video which I'll put up in the cards up above, but this video is also going to be attached in this particular video, so you can see the instructions on how to put it together. It's hooked up to a little knob that goes on and off when the hood is open and closed. So this is the product here. It says light soft article lamp. These are used just above the headlights. They got turn signals in them too. They also, if you want to compare it, it's like the lights I put on my above the hood, like in the hood when you turn it on. I'll also leave links to that if you want to see that. So let's get those installed.
So first off, we're going to go and look at the contents. So let's open those up and see what we have. All right, first off, we have the actual light strip, which will be pretty easy to install. Got our ties and the part that we're going to hook up to somewhere on the body, somewhere on one of these holes. So we're going to figure out where the best part is there. All right, so the best part I found right now, and trust me, this is a lot easier than the previous generation Chevrolettrax that I installed it to. This is a 2024 Chevrolettrax, brand new. There's a lot more options that you could add to. I found the best part right now is near the stopper, so you can pretty much align it to that and install it. So we're going to try that. And it's pretty easy. Once it's in there, pretty much screw the bolt in at the bottom. And you're just trying to align it with the hood. Trust me, and I say trust me because you don't want to lose this bolt like I did in a previous video.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
And try to find it. All right, so the next thing you want to do is get the wiring in there and hook it up to that part there. You don't want to tighten these parts up yet until we figure out the length between this part and the hood. Okay, before we install this, I just wanted to add parts that we're dealing with here. First of all, this is the part we're going to hook up to the battery, which is the positive. It comes with an inline fuse that's hooked up to the whole wiring system, and then this will be hooked up to the actual switch, which is the ground, which I think is great. Alright, so you can see it's secure and ready to go. So we're going to hook up the other wiring. So like I said earlier, in this application we're using a 2024 Chevrolet Trax. We're just going to lift these two parts up here to get to the positive terminal and hook it up. It's very simple. Alright, so we've loosened the positive terminal. So we're going to put this in here and tighten it up. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is find out where we want to mount it. and I haven't figured that out yet. These things have a sticky 3M tape on it, which don't always work. They'll work for a bit and then they'll come off. I usually use tie straps, so we'll see what we have to do there. And honestly, guys, I don't trust the 3M, so I'm gonna actually probably tie strap it into these 3 and try to make the light go this way, and we'll see how that goes. All right, so to get those off, I'm going to use this pry tool kit. I haven't chosen which one to use yet, but we're going to use one of those to get those off. So what my plan is here is to tie strap those in there and kind of tuck them in the back, and just use those 2 holes. Maybe we'll put those pieces back in there later. Alright, so I've opted to hide it under this cowl here. I'm going to see if I can put some of these prints back in here. If not, it's in there tight. It's not 100% centered, but this is going to do the job. Alright, so these aren't going to click. But you can still stick them on there, and they'll stay. It looks pretty clean from here. So what's great here is you can hide the wire along this cowl here and feed it to where you want it to go, just right there. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is clean up the wires. As you can see, in there's not much you can see. Everything's pretty much hidden along here. We're going to clean this up, and then what I like about this Chevy Trax is they give you places that you can put stuff into. The other cars that I've wired up weren't this easy, so we're going to put this together, clean it up nice, and install it. Alright, so there you go, nice clean install, no wire. Alright guys, so we're under the hood now. As you can see, I've already loosened these up here, so they're easy to take off. You just need a little pry tool. I can show you what I used, this. So you just get under these here and just yank them up. So that's pretty straightforward. As you can see, the light, I'll use this button down here, and this is the button I was talking about, as we'll show you in the video. Whoops. And the light. Yeah, so let's put this back up here, and as you can see, the light's under here. I didn't use any tape for this. See if I remember how I got this out. Yeah, so you just need a little pry tool to get this out. Okay, put it in there pretty good. There we go. In some weird spot sometime to get out, but just work at it. You'll get it. There we go. That side. There we go. Yeah, like I say, I keep a bag of these around because I am clumsy and I do drop stuff a lot of the times, as you've seen in my other videos. Alright, so pull that out of the way. It's in the fuse box. Let's see. Remember how to take this off. 2 clips here. You have to forgive me, it's a little bit chilly out, so my hands don't work too good sometimes. Okay, there we go. You can see my other hookups in here. Yeah, so there it is there. I kind of tie strapped it all in. So basically I'm just going to probably cut the wire and then attach it on
to the other. Okay, so I pretty much left it hooked up to the same wiring, so we don't have to do that. You might want to splice it and also remove it from the current of the battery. There we go. Of course, you want to test these. Now, I'm only going to use one. I might add another one to the other side of the engine maybe, but for now, as you can see, it's got the yellow light, the yellow wire there. That's for the turn signal. We're not going to use that. Let's see. So black. Beauty. All right, as far as this yellow one, we're just going to cut it off. Perhaps we're going to heat shrink this probably too. Boy, is it ever cold out here today. All right, so get rid of that garbage. And we're just going to hook these up. I'm going to splice these. I'm not going to put that in the video because it's so self-explanatory, and hook those up. This light strip is actually a lot longer than the other one, so it's going to actually go along right along the side and fit perfectly in this cowl here. So we're just going to lift it up and fish it through, and it's going to go right around. So that's perfect, and it ends right where I want it to as well. All right, so I did shorten this wire. It's way too long. And get rid of this yellow one here. Yeah, we'll heat shrink that up. I already got the heat shrink already attached to that, so. Okay, so you can see here, I got it all heat shrinked. Like I said, I kept the original wiring from the last one that I did, which is attached to this video. Here we got the light underneath. I haven't you know, set it yet, so it looks good. So we're going to do that next, and then we're just going to install these, and that's done. Alright guys, so I got everything all hooked up and installed. I put the clips back in. I can't remember if I put longer ones of these or not. These ones do look longer, you can see. So they just fit in there. To the bottom, snap. Yep, she's in. And that's pretty much how it looks. So when you turn it off, comes on, kind of fades, and then it's on. All right, now the good thing about this set is it obviously comes with two, because they are for the above headlight turn signals. So it's just, if something goes wrong with that, you still have this to replace it, and for the price you can't go wrong. Of course, this video would be absolutely useless without a dark shot or night shot. Fortunately, it's not totally dark, but you'll get the idea. Let me open it. All right. There you go. There's a little window here, but you get the idea. Yeah, it's a major improvement. It actually looks looks better in person, I think. This camera doesn't do too bad of a job. All right, some of you are going to ask, why did you change that light? I like the look of this. It matches up the other stuff that I have, like the LED strip when it's on. Also, if we go to the back, To show you some light mods I did, like the ones that go around here, matches up with the, you know, the bright lights I got in there. It just it flows, and that's what mods are all about. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one and stay safe, my friends.